Jasmine, it's flowering now. Hi, I'm Vandana from the Urban Mali Network. If you are a jasmine, mogra or malli lover, then you will be so happy to know that it's flowering season. So all of the jasmine varieties, which is the Dundu Mallige, the climber variety, the Jaji Mali, are all in flowering season. The flowering peaks from March to June and it also continues flowering till October. So if you want to have jasmine growing in your garden, then you must visit our website urbanmali.com. We have a few varieties of jasmine on there. So get your little plant and add it to your garden and enjoy the beauty and the fragrance of this amazing plant. Which is the Dundu Mallige, the climber variety.